Hello everyone. Welcome back into our Sunday market breakdown, guys. Yeah. So today, guys, um, I don't have much of the pairs as you can see here. This is my watch list here that I'm having, guys, but I'm only gonna cover the forex pairs and one USD, yeah, guys. Yeah. So before I start, guys, yeah, for the people who are new in our channel, guys, please help us to grow this channel by subscribing, guys. Yeah. So for those who have been here, guys, comment and tell us what you want us to include in the next video, guys. Yeah. And then another thing, guys, tell me how far are you with our strategy actually. Remember, guys, at the beginning of the year I told you that you won't regret being in this channel, guys. Comment and then tell us anything that you would like us to include in the next video, or anything that you find value out of our, or comment with anything that you found it that it's working, guys. Yeah, for you. Now our own USD cat, guys, there's not much here to discuss. I think I analyzed this one last week, guys. Yeah, but one thing I can tell, guys, the market last week came to mitigate this order block actually right here. But with what is happening, guys, we can see that we're having an order block below this. The order block, we're having this order block, and then above it, there's a liquidity right here. So, what I'm anticipating, guys, for the next move is this kind of move. You can already see that the market is trying to weaken. It's coming here in a corrective manner. So, this is what I'm expecting for this week with this position. That's when we're gonna take our buy positions right here. I hope you do understand what I see right here, guys. Yeah. Or another thing, but before that, yeah, I think with this one it is okay, guys. I hope you all can see what I'm anticipating right here, guys. Yeah. So if maybe I'm trying to delete these things first. Another thing we can see, guys, you can see that we're an impulse. So now we're in a corrective phase. The market, it might come impulsively here, and then we don't take those things, those order blocks where the market came to mitigate them in an impulsive way. So one thing we can wait for, guys, if it came impulsively, we're gonna wait for on a smaller time frame. We're gonna look for a change of character on a smaller time frame. Then that's when we're coming, and then we make sure that our entries, guys, are refined, guys. Yeah. So, guys, with this one, I'm gonna pass on it. But the bigger thing I'm looking for here, guys, is that pattern actually. This is what I'm seeing happening this week actually. Yeah, this type of a pattern. It is what I'm seeing this week. So, but then let's pass on this one, guys. Yeah. Now we're on NZD USD. Bear with us, guys, for the network. We're having poor connection. During the load shedding, guys. Yeah, the connection is not strong, but we're gonna try by all means that we upload you with our videos actually. Yeah. So guys, this is NZD USD. So on NZD USD, remember, guys, this is the pair we traded that day when we were trading CPI. I think it was Thursday CPI. Yeah, when I remember, we got this buy position here, but unfortunately the market took us out. But our direction is still valid actually. Yeah, I think we're at a double bottom here, if I remember. My entry was here. So the market hit our stop loss when the during the CPI event. Yeah, I think my stop loss was somewhere here. Our stop loss was somewhere here. So one thing I'm expecting for next week, guys, I'm expecting. Let me delete this thing. We saw that we had an impulsive move here. Now we're in a corrective move. We're expecting an impulse. So what I'm seeing right here, guys, I'm just gonna evolve these trend lines to something like this, even though they're not nice, but We do put them in this way. So I'm not gonna take any buy position here, guys. I'm just gonna wait for only the sell positions when the market mitigates this order block somewhere here. Those are the only sells I'm gonna be looking for. I'm not gonna look for the buys, guys. You can see that this impulse, I mean, this correctional phase is not okay, guys. It's not the normal one actually, but we're in a correctional phase. So with this one, I think I'm done, guys. Let me be quick actually. I won't be covering everything actually, guys. If you want me to cover everything and then analyze with you guys from down there, guys, you need to be in our mentorship group, guys. Yeah. Here I'm just gonna show you. This is the free content I can give you, guys. Yeah. So this is USD JPY. On USD JPY, we can see that we had a series of higher highs, higher lows. So the market, it has been coming down with those lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Look at this order block, it's still fresh and new. But with if you can see, we're having a nice pattern here, guys. Yeah, I think the market mitigated our order block already, but I'm not gonna take those order blocks due to this impulsive move. This impulsive move, it's not make sure actually. I'm just gonna leave it, guys. Yeah. Then another that thing. What do we call? Actually wanted to talk about something on a smaller time frame, guys. I'm gonna wait for the market to come in, at least change character on a smaller time frame. Then that's when I'm gonna place my buy positions. At least we need to take an entry, a confirmed entry, guys. Look at here, guys. Entering with a buy position when the market reaches here, I think it's just gonna be a risk, or maybe donating your money, guys. I'm not saying this type of position are not possible, but they are possible. So I'm just gonna wait for the market to mitigate this position, and then I know that I'm going up. Good, but only if it mitigates with that, with those change of characters, those type of confirmations, guys. Yeah. So with this one, I'm done. But our overall target here, guys, is gonna be on our, what do you call, on the 90% rule of the structure the market made actually. Yeah, this is where our take profit would be. Look at the risk to reward, guys. I actually on 1 is to 8. If you can manage to hold this one, guys, I'm gonna make a lot with this one. I'm on GBP USD now, guys. GBP USD. I think we had this pair. I don't know when, but no, I did hit this one with my team, guys. I think, yeah. So with this one, guys, it's simple. I hope everyone can see what the market is already printing right here. The market is already printing the reversal pattern here, guys, closer to the order block right here. And then another thing, if this one it doesn't happen, or if maybe we don't get something like this, you can already see that the market is already giving us that impulse. Now we're in a correctional phase. If you get a nice entry, we're targeting the if we get a nice entry on this continuation pattern, we're targeting the order block above there. That's when we can start selling. But for now, we're looking for the buy positions, guys. Yeah. If you can get a nice continuation pattern here on 1 hour, I think, yeah, then you can hold up until the order block above. Since we're on an impulse, then correction, and then impulse, that's the nature of the market, guys. The market moves in those phases, guys. Yeah. So I'm done with GBP USD. Actually, today's video is gonna be short, guys. Just browsing on top of this thing, guys. For those who want me to analyze with them down and then do all the things with them, guys, make sure that you hit me on WhatsApp. I will leave my numbers actually on the description of the video, guys. Yeah, for the mentorship program. So with this one, guys, it's simple. I think too. We're on a supply area. Then we have a first touch, second touch. This is the third touch, and then we're having a pattern within a pattern. With pairs that have a pattern within a pattern, guys. This type of pairs that they always go into our direction. But for now, I didn't enter in the market yet. I'm gonna enter. When will I enter in the market? I think when the market breaks out of this pattern here. Let's wait for that. When the market breaks out here, then that's when I'm gonna enter. If the market gives me the continuation pattern, then I'm taking a sell position. Another thing, it would be a nice head and shoulder pattern if the market would give me a continuation pattern around this area. I will be having a nice head and shoulder pattern here, guys. Yeah. So this one is just easy, guys. Actually, let me leave that analysis like that. I think the last pair is going to be euro. It's euro GBP actually. Yeah. So with euro GBP, let me go on 1 hour. On 1 hour time frame, guys. Yeah, as you all know that we're trading Falcon and smart money, guys. Yeah, when I beat, a lot of people will be trapped. Actually, you see what we're having right here, guys. Uh, for based on Falcon, guys, we had a first touch, second touch. This was our third touch. This is our target of 90% rule based on Falcon. But based on smart money, guys, we've been going up with those series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. So now we're approaching our order block actually. So when we're approaching an order block, we're targeting, we're anticipating the market that when it reaches this order block, it will reverse and then go up. But what I see, guys, I see the market coming into this order block, maybe let's say in a corrective manner, something like this. After it continues going up there to mitigate the order block above there. And then we get, let's say we get a nice, sorry for that. Uh, let's say the market came in a corrective phase right here. We managed to take a buy position. The market leaves, goes up with those, I mean, those reversal patterns. So if the market gives us something like this, guys, and then it start going down, Luke Falcon and SMC, it will be nicely met actually. Why? Because of like in this thing, guys, we'll be having this nice head and shoulder pattern, something like this. That's what I'm anticipating. Falcon and SMC, they would be nicely met or integrated, guys. Yeah. So, but with what is happening, guys, if the market, let's say let's say the market would give us a continuation pattern somewhere around there. Let me delete those things actually. Let's say the market, it doesn't come to mitigate the order block above there, but it gives us a continuation pattern like this. It's still valid actually. The market can still go down there, but for me, I'm hoping for the market to mitigate this order block, then go and mitigate the one at the top there, and then we know with this type of pace, guys, we will know that this one, they will definitely hit our take profit. Imagine having this nice head and shoulder pattern, and then we're having this order block being approached in a corrective way. I know, guys. With this position, it is Euro GBP. I'm gonna update you on what we call on our Instagram channel, guys. I'm gonna update you with Euro GBP, guys. This one is gonna be challenging, guys. Yeah, for the fact that we're trading two strategies. In everything there are pros and cons, guys. Yeah, the disadvantage of this thing right here, guys, is that if the market it will make a continuation pattern here, our order blocks will it will not be mitigated, and then we know that we love those order blocks where the market is coming to them in a corrective way, but we cannot sell anywhere where there's nothing. I don't want to talk about support and resistance, but let's say the market would come here and then draw something like this. We cannot expect to sell here, guys. What is it that the market is respecting that we had previously somewhere around here? Only if maybe the market could have made a previous low somewhere around here, I would understand that the market is retesting, and then the market is making a actually the market is making a continuation pattern in the previous low, or is retesting the previous low. I would understand. I would take that position. But if the market is like this, I'm not gonna take the position. I cannot take a position when there's nothing the market is respecting actually. Even a continuation pattern, it must be it must respect something, the continuation pattern. Yeah. So the last pair I'm gonna give it to you guys. I think it's USD. So with USD, let me start USD on for USD on for hour. I've been analyzing this pair actually. Yeah. So with this pair, guys, it was nice, guys. Yeah. I remember we caught. Where did we get a buy? I think it was somewhere here when the market broke broke this pattern actually. I think we got a buy position somewhere in there. But today we're not there actually. So what I'm seeing right here, guys, um, we're in an order block, guys. Yeah, the market is currently in our order block. So with this one, guys, let me show you what I'm anticipating with this one. I think I see a nice pattern. I see the market made a nice pattern here. Maybe let's say the market it were to come at that. Sorry for that. Say the market it were to come at the top there. Yeah, something like this, guys. Yeah. Let's say at the market it were to come and make a third touch somewhere around here, or if no third touch, it's something like a double top. Is this top, and then now we're on a top here. So with this type of patterns, guys, there's something called a risk entry and a reduced risk entry, guys. Yeah. So with this one, guys, any. I'm not gonna open any position if the market is still like this. The the double top position is still risky, and the third touch position is still risky right here, guys. Let me open on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, guys, the market still in an impulsive way. Corrective. Now it's still in an impulsive way. If the market maybe it could give me something of this nature, then I'm definitely gonna take a sell position up until we target this trend line here. Sometimes the market it likes to bounce here and then continue going up. If the market does continue going up, you would know that this order block of ours, it's now regarded as a liquidity. Then we would know that we're targeting the order block above right there. But with what is happening currently, I think this order block is the one, guys. We just need to get those what do we call, we just need to get those confirmations, then we're in, guys. Yeah, I hope, guys, with today's video, guys, you got value out of it, guys. Yeah. For the people who are new, guys, please do subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, please. And then for those who have been in our channel, guys, update us on how far are you with our strategy, guys. Yeah. And then for those who are looking for the mentorship program, I will leave my number on the description, guys. Make sure that you contact me, guys. Yeah. So I'm ready to help you, guys, with the market, guys. Yeah. I thank you, guys. See you in the next video, guys. If maybe this video you find it that it has what do we call, it has some breakages, guys. It's low, guys. Remember, guys, we're in a load shedding.